Life's bitter, can't take it anymore. Shit's natural, but for me it's a chore. Like wiping grease with plastic, it's absurd. I go, I crap, out comes a turd. But listen, shit, sneeze more shit. Pleasure turns to pain. Shit, sneeze more shit. This allergy's insane. Shit, sneeze more shit. Pleasure turns to pain. Shit, sneeze more shit. This allergy's insane, yeah. Dots that choose toilet or empty fridge. Don't eat anemia, eating shit's a bridge. Bro, I need a solution, I'm in deep. Vacuum toilet failed, last stuck, can't keep. Try to vacuum toilet to dodge the smell. Got stuck, shit caked on my ass. What hell? And I try to tube up where the sun don't shine, but that tube stank just the same. No design so fine. Listen, shit, sneeze more shit. Pleasure turns to pain. Shit, sneeze more shit. This allergy's insane. Shit, sneeze more shit. Pleasure turns to pain. Shit, sneeze more shit. This allergy's insane, yeah!